Good morning, students of class 5. Welcome to geography class. We are reading chapter 9, Polar Regions. Our topic for today is Antarctica. Before starting with Antarctica, let us first revise latitudes of Earth. I know you already know it, but still, once more, let us revise. So the first latitude of Earth is equator, which passes from the middle of the Earth and divides the Earth into southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Next there are Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and then Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Now, our topic for today is Antarctica. Now, where is Antarctica? The region between the South Pole and Antarctic Circle is known as Antarctica. So, Antarctica is in southern hemisphere. It is the region between the South Pole and the Antarctic Circle. It is surrounded by water and is permanently covered with ice. Another interesting fact is it is regarded as the largest desert of the world. You already know this while reading the chapter Desert. The largest desert of the world is Antarctica. Now, the climate of Antarctica. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on earth. As we have learned that it is permanently covered with ice, so naturally this place is the coldest place in the world. Also, it is driest and windiest. The coldest temperature on earth, that is minus 89 degrees centigrade, has been recorded in Antarctica. On an average, most of Antarctica gets about 2 inches of snowfall each year. East Antarctica is colder than the West Antarctica. Why? Because of its higher elevation. So, if we compare East Antarctica and West Antarctica, East Antarctica is somewhat higher than the West Antarctica. And as we go in high altitude, the temperature decreases. And that is the reason East Antarctica is colder than West Antarctica. Now, natural vegetation. You see, this place is very cold. In reality, it is a cold desert and has no plant except for just few mosses and lichens that are found clinging to the rocks, as you can see in these pictures. So there is no such plants or trees that grow in this region because this is a desert. The only type of vegetation that is found over here is mosses and lichens, as you can see in these pictures. Now, wildlife. It may be hard to believe that any wildlife can exist in the Antarctica. Why? Because it's severely cold over there, and we might think that how can a life exist over there? But the truth is, there do exist certain lives. There are varieties of seals, whales, penguins are found in this region. Besides this, there are different types of birds like gulls, Antarctic pigeon, Antarctic squaw. These creatures depend on the sea for their food. Now, human activities. Due to extreme weather conditions, Antarctica has no permanent human residence, so no human being live over there. However, scientific expeditions from several countries visit Antarctica. So people who want to research in this zone, in this region, they go there and they build their research centers. Some of the countries, including India, have built research center in Antarctica. As you can see, these are the pictures of different research centers. The first one is of India, and the next one, this blue color, is the research center built by United Kingdom in Antarctica. So no people stay over there, and only scientific researchers build their research centers, and they go there and do their research for some time. So that was all about Antarctica that you need to know. Read this section from your book, and if you find any problem or difficulties understanding this section, send your query through email at the given mail ID. Thank you.